It's nice. That is so nice. And what do you think about that? I don't know, maybe a little bit too much chrome, but to each his own. Sometimes you just feel the chrome. It's a 2021 TRX. I don't know, I'm really not a huge fan of the color.
Alright guys, so you just seen this backpack. So this is the computer backpack from Torch Off-Road. Really nice, can take it anywhere, super durable. Comes with 2 patches you can have. We put our MacBook Air in there, keeps it completely safe. You can pick yours up, we'll put a link in the description below, and you can save 10% by using the code OrangeWires. So check it out, and let's get back to the video.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Orange Wires Garage. We're here today at COPART again. We're going to find ourselves a new build. We're going to check out a bunch of these things. We're going to take y'all along with us. We made it here to this first one, so let's check out this 2020 Toyota Corolla with 176,000 miles on it. So this is a 2020 Toyota Corolla. It looks pretty good. It's got a lot of miles on it with 176,000 miles. It has hit the road running and stayed running. It looks really good on the outside. Tires looking good on this side. Got a few door dings on the driver's side. Tire looks good up front. Front end looks pretty good. The hood's got some scratches and a dent right in the middle. Windshield is busted. The tire on this side, I mean, it still looks decent. This tire on the rear is flat. We got a little bit of a pucker right here on this quarter. Let's check out the inside. I tell you, that right there where those feet are, this thing smells like somebody left their socks in it. Kind of stinks inside here, but it looks really good. Just this console is worn out, but and then somebody stole the back seat. So they had a dog in here, stole the back seat. It's really dirty, smells really bad. Really bad. I'd say that's why it's here. Just, you know, a lot of miles and trash the inside. I mean, it wouldn't be a bad car. Don't know if you could ever get the smell out of it. We would like to check under the hood. Checking out underneath the hood. I mean, it looks really good in here. Check the oil and the water. I think we're probably going to pass on this one. You can let us know, would you bid on this one? I mean, this would be a good commuter car if you could get rid of just, you know, the way that it kind of smells inside. So let's go see if we can find us a truck and check that out. I know I said we were going to look at a truck, but this little bright purple Jeep just kind of caught my eye. I don't know, I'm really not a huge fan of the color, but I thought we would check it out and kind of see how bad it's hit. You can see down there that that axle is bent, like it's bent and pushed back. That happens to all of these Jeeps if they get hit in the front. It bends up that axle. The frame is pretty weak too, honestly, but checking out all the frame under here, That all looks good. It's just probably the axle that's back. Just had to replace that. Control arm's bent. Have to replace that. Let's see if there's any airbags out. I mean, it's not a bad looking little Jeep. Kind of like to have a little two-wheel drive Jeep. It's got nice tires and wheels. It's just purple, you know. The purple's not great. In the airbag, it is out for sure. Man, this Jeep smells brand new. Goodness gracious. No wonder. Check that out, 500 miles. 500 miles on this Jeep. It's brand spanking new. That is insane. The inside looks really good. Not a bad Jeep. It's a Rubicon. Let's check under the hood. Well, it is a V6, which it's got that going for it. It doesn't look too bad. I think that it did push the fenders over just a little bit. Maybe the aprons are over just a tad. So what do y'all think? Pretty ugly Jeep, or do you like the purple? You think it looks pretty good? I don't know, 500 miles. I still don't know if I could be really happy driving around a purple Jeep. Now, let's go see if we can find another truck. Check this out. It's a 2021 TRX. Absolutely love these trucks. Have loved them since the day that I saw them. It's got the 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi in this sucker. This truck is just a beast of a truck. I've wanted one for a long, long time. This one is pretty rough. This one right here is absolutely destroyed. The last time I looked at it, the high bid on this thing was $17,000, and it is completely destroyed. That still don't mean that it can't be saved. We would absolutely love to be the people that gave that a shot. Such a shame, man. I wanted it to be a little bit better than it is, but I don't know that we got a shot at it anyway. But who knows? With an auction, you never really know. So that little booger is busted out. Probably something in the bed came through it. The leather is beautiful. The back looks phenomenal. Got a little fender snag on the front. Was not expecting that. Check out this dash. There is 17,000 miles on this dude. It is beautiful. The seats, I mean the interior, the attention to detail, and this whole roof is a moonroof. Check out all the controls for that top. I mean, just everything. The system in this thing, garage door openers. Look at the screen. It's just huge, man. It's like having a 75-inch TV. It's just absolutely phenomenal. What do y'all think? Are these TRXs, are they all that it's cracked up to be? Is that big 700 horsepower Hemi, is it all that it's supposed to be? Is it all that it's cracked up to be? Comment below and let us know what you think about this big TRX. This is the one we've been looking for. It is a 2004 Toyota Tacoma double cab 4-wheel drive. It got hit just a little bit here, right in the front. Wanted to kind of check it out and see if it was something that we might possibly fix, because we have really been wanting to get one of these trucks on the channel. I think y'all probably wanted to see us fix up one of these anyway, and I just love them. We just love them. So we want to check this one out good. Check out the frame, check out everything. You look at the end of that rail there. I mean, it kind of looks worse than it is. It just basically meant the extension right here, which is not too bad. We can replace that. That can be replaced pretty easily. If you look up in there, radiator condenser, radiator support, grill, hood, front bumper. I actually think the fender on this side is okay. So it's not terrible. If we can get the hood up, we'll do that. But let's take a look inside. Honestly, it looks pretty good in here. I mean, it is a 2004, and you can see somebody like us, they drove it to work. They got a little bit of dirt in it, but that dirt don't hurt a thing. They even had a brake controller in this thing, but it is 4-wheel drive. It's a nice little truck. The seats are in decent shape. Looking in the back, it looks better than the front. It's pretty clean back here. You know, for a truck that's 20 years old, it is a nice truck, and I do like it. It's got the floor mats in the bed. Oftentimes, that's where you always find them. When it comes to the rodeo, I tell you one thing. This is not this thing's first one. So this is an aftermarket hood. It's already been replaced, and they didn't even paint underneath. So, I mean, it looks good though. I'd like to hear it run. I don't know if it will. The fan is right all up in the radiator, and you can see that up underneath. But up under the hood, it looks good. And these 3.4 engines are really good. It's had this radiator replaced before, so it's been in a front end collision. But the two front fenders are original, so they only changed the hood. So we can change this radiator support all day long. That's what you think in the comments, guys. Do you like this old 4? Is that something you want to see? Because we really like it. We think everybody likes these older trucks. We like to just fix it up, maybe drive it around some and see how it goes. Let us know in the comments. You want us to try to pick this truck up, because it does go up for auction here very, very soon. There was a couple of Jeeps we wanted to look at, but specifically another Tacoma truck. You know we love these things, so I want to show y'all this one. Let me see if I can find it, and then we'll check it out. You never know what you'll see here at COPART. This one is a 1971 GMC Suburban. Looks like they got him out for the Christmas parade and maybe didn't make it back. So a 71 GMC. And what do you think about that? Got the McGregor wheels on it. Looks like 20s. Don't know what they've done to it suspension wise, but it does have some rust. Ford we've been working on. So that's, you know, that's not great. So looking down this side, other than that little rusty spot, this thing looks good and it's cool. Looking down this side, well, that's where it saw its better days. So we got damage back here at this quarter. And we got damage up here at the front, damage to the door, got some more rust. I don't know, man. This thing is awesome cool though. The damage is pretty bad. It's not like you can just order these parts, or you know what, maybe you can. Maybe you can just order an aftermarket fender and door, fix up that quarter, and away you go. Let's check out the inside. Oh, I'm digging that steering wheel, man. That looks really good. This old school dash. I mean, inside this thing looks good, man. It looks good. That big old bench seat, it's nice. That is so nice. Get to the driver's side, it don't have a door to get into the back. You got to go to the passenger side to get into the back. So I know if you're loving these old cars, that you're loving this thing, because I tell you what, I like it a lot too. I guarantee you, they had it out. They went to the Christmas parade. Something happened on the way back home. That's a shame. But this thing is totally awesome inside. Let's see what they got under the hood. Nothing special under there. It just looks like a good old 350 Chevrolet. Still a cool car. A very, very cool car. So tell me what y'all think about this 1971 GMC Suburban. It is a very cool car. I don't know if we want to take on another challenge like that, but I guarantee you somebody out there does. And this is a cool car that showed up at COPART. Let us know what you think about it. We saw this one and we just had to check it out. This is a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. It's a nice Jeep. It's already got a lift. It's already got tires and wheels. It's got some open country tires and they look decent. Got the nice chrome running boards. Got a soft top. It's just got a little bit of damage, it looks like, down this driver's side. I mean, nothing terrible. It's nothing terrible. But inside, the seats are in good shape. I mean, we've got a 14, basically the same Jeep. This one has 125,000 miles. It runs and drives. I think the inside looks really good. I mean, especially for a 12. But looking back toward the back, that looks really good. Looking up here at the front, that looks really good. This is a nice Jeep. Looking from the back end, everything looks good. I mean, I see a little bit of pinhole or two in the top. It's a nice Jeep. Looking down this side, I mean, nothing stands out at me. It looks good. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a little bit too much chrome, but to each his own. Sometimes you just feel the chrome. Yeah, and you can see it. I mean, these Jeeps, they just can't take a lick in the front. If you hit them in the front axle, it's going to bend the axle. So the axle is bent. For sure, the axle is bent. So it'd probably have to have a new front axle. Those are about $2,000. Still though, that's not too bad. I mean, it's definitely a nice Jeep. You let us know what you think. Is this a nice Jeep? Would you like to see us fix it on the channel? Comment down below, let us know, and let us know how much you would bid. It's a 2012 with 125,000 miles. I do think that we ran out of time for this video, guys. We've been in here a good while. We've looked at a bunch of trucks. We've got a list made out. We're gonna try our best to get one. If you like these videos like this, if you like us filming this stuff over at COPART, drop us a like. Let us know what you think. Leave us a comment down below. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always try to post there before YouTube. We appreciate each and every one of you. A special thanks to all the subscribers. We'll catch you next time. We're out.